In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see output in Visual Studio Code. If you're new to VS Code, it can be a little confusing at first to figure out where your program output is actually going. Maybe you've run some code, or you're using an extension that prints logs, and you're not seeing anything on the screen. Don't worry. Once you know where to look, it becomes very straightforward and something you'll use all the time. First, make sure you have Visual Studio Code open and that you're working in a project or file where you expect some output, such as a script you've just run or a task that's been executed. The output we're talking about here is not your code editor itself, but the panel at the bottom of the screen that shows logs, messages, and extension information. Look toward the upper right area of the VS Code window. There you'll see a set of small icons that control different interface panels. One of these icons is used to toggle or show and hide the panel at the bottom of the screen. Click on this toggle panel icon. When you click it, a panel should slide up from the bottom of the window, or if it was already open, it might hide. If you don't see anything happen, make sure your VS Code window is maximized so the interface isn't cramped, and try clicking the icon again. Once the bottom panel is open, you'll notice several tabs along the top edge of that panel. Common ones include things like Problems, Output, Debug Console, and Terminal. These are different views into what's going on under the hood while you're working. To see the specific output we're interested in, move your cursor to the tab labeled Output and click on it. After you click the Output tab, you'll see text appear in the panel. This is where Visual Studio Code and its extensions write messages, logs, and other information. If you have multiple extensions or tools running, you might also see a drop-down box within the output view that lets you choose which source you want to inspect. For example, you could switch between output from an extension, a build task, or another tool. If at any time you want more space to read the output, you can resize the panel by dragging its top edge up or down, and when you're done reviewing your output, you can simply click the same toggle panel icon again to hide it and give more room back to your editor. That's all you need to do to see output in Visual Studio Code. Open the bottom panel with the toggle icon, then switch to the Output tab.